Just as Canada gets set to reopen its borders to non-essential travel for its southern neighbours, the U.S. is once again reporting more than 100,000 coronavirus cases every day.
We should not really have ever gotten in the place we are. So in that regard, yes, we are failing.
Health officials appearing on the American Sunday talk shows are warning the country's pandemic situation is growing desperate. Cases have returned to levels not seen since the winter surge 6 months ago, as the Delta variant spreads rapidly where vaccination rates are the lowest.
We have vaccines that we know are highly effective and safe, and yet half the country is still not fully vaccinated, and about 90 million people have not even gotten one dose. And now we're paying a terrible price as the cases go up quickly.
The most recent ensemble forecast from the Centers for Disease Control predicts new COVID-19 hospitalizations and deaths will likely increase over the next 4 weeks. And the nation's top infectious disease expert says vaccine hesitancy could give rise to new variants.
But if you give the virus a chance to continue to change, you're leading to a vulnerability that we might get a worse variant.
Canada's borders will reopen at midnight for U.S. tourists who have been vaccinated with a Health Canada-approved vaccine at least 14 days since their last dose. They will have to provide both proof of vaccination and a negative COVID test before being allowed onto Canadian soil. Across the border, nurses and doctors on the front lines of America's hospitals are once again swamped. The surge, they say, has been driven almost entirely by the unvaccinated.
It's frustrating to hear people call us heroes and thank us when that's great and we appreciate that. But what we need is for people to wear masks and get vaccines.
Caryn Ceolin, City News.